What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change your age on Eharmony dating platform, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, let's jump to it. So as you can see, when you go to the upper right corner on your profile picture and go to edit profile, there is no option for changing your age over here. So you are having photos and personality profile, no way you are having to change age. So you can also change your name over here. You are on your menu, choose background, occupation, edit photos and SMS verification. When you go to the personality and profile, also you do not have a change age option. But what you can do in this case, if you want to change your age, there is a way to do that, and I'm gonna show you right now. So if you have registered using an incorrect date of birth, you'll need to help to change it. Just contact customer care via the button on this page and include your correct birthday in the message. So over here, do we have a help center? Over here we are having help. And basically we are having loads and loads of options. So let's see, change age, how to change age on Eharmony. If you have registered using incorrect date of birth, you can change it, as you can see when you click on it, and over here we have to change customer care via the button on this page and include the correct birthday. So contact customer care, and over here we are having options on how to contact them. So overall, not the scariest option, as you can see. So all you need to do is contact customer care, go to the downwards of the profile, press on help button, then all you need to do is enter change age, press search how to change age, and basically go to contact customer care, send them email, and basically press what you need help about. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.